Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a profile picture on the Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main screen where you can access all your meeting options and settings. Now, look at the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see your current profile picture there, which might just be a placeholder icon if you haven't set one yet. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. This is your gateway to personalizing your account and making your presence more recognizable in meetings. Next, you'll see an option that says My Profile. Tap on it to proceed. This section contains all your account information and customization options, allowing you to manage how you appear to other Zoom users during meetings and in their contact lists. Once you're in your profile, you'll notice a camera icon positioned right beside your current profile picture. This icon is specifically designed for uploading or changing your photo. Tap on this camera icon to open up your photo selection options. A menu will appear giving you two choices. You can either take photo to capture a new picture right then and there, or choose photo to select an existing image from your phone's gallery. For this example, let's tap choose photo since most people prefer using a picture they already have saved on their device. Now browse through your photo library and pick the picture you want to use as your Zoom profile picture. Take your time selecting an image that represents you well and will be clearly visible even when displayed in a small thumbnail during meetings. After selecting your picture, tap Done to confirm your selection. This locks in your choice and prepares the image for any final adjustments you might want to make. At this point, you have the option to crop your photo if needed. You can drag the image around to reposition it within the frame, ensuring that the most important part of your picture is centered and clearly visible. This cropping feature helps you get the perfect framing for your profile. Once you're satisfied with how your photo looks, tap Save to finalize everything. The app will process your image and update your profile accordingly. Give it a moment to complete the upload and apply the changes across your account. And that's it. Your profile picture should now appear on your Zoom profile, making you easily identifiable to colleagues and friends in meetings. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.